anything special?
Jumping out of the plane.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Okay.
Surprise Mother's Day gift.
This was a surprise Mother's Day present. Happy Mother's Day.
Absolutely.
So, is this your idea? You're gonna throw your mother out of an airplane?
No, it's my
I think
dad's
it was.
idea.
You know,
her
she,
idea,
you know she
actually.
doesn't have a parachute on, right?
She's always said she wanted to do it.
I think it was Leah's idea. Absolutely.
He's on camera.
Absolutely.
But you're happy. You want this.
Yes.
How about you?
Yeah.
You're just jumping on because it sounded like a good idea?
Yeah.
Yep.
Anything you guys want to say to each other or anyone else before you go skydiving?
Hopefully, hopefully I'll see you guys.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Aw.
Anything else?
I'm the best son.
Woohoo! Go, Steve. You guys ready to have some fun?
Yeah.
Yes, we
Should we
are.
do it?
Thumbs up.
All right.
Let's go
Don't go too far
skydiving.
without me.
The funny part is, if you use that, you look up and it looks.
Which one? This one?
Guys, Mother's Day.
What's the order of this?
Steve, Ann, have fun.
Mom jumping first or you jumping?
Vodka bottles out of
Mine fell out. Well, it was empty.
You out, that's what
Yeah.
you out of the point. Then you head up, come back in. Once we're in free fall, we'll tap your arms. At that point, we'll go, put your hands out wide, look okay over there, smile away, have fun.
I want you to look over now. Give me your first and last name.
Steve Silverman,
Hometown Steve.
Waverly, PA.
Are you ready to go skydiving?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it, Steve. On now if he's accurate. Right to your left.
We're good.
Hey there, Steve!
God, that was awesome.
Yeah, you think so?
That was so awesome.
It's the best. Well, you did it. You
Yeah.
jumped out of that proverbial perfectly good airplane.
Yeah, yeah.
Anything you want to say now?
Oh, I want to do that again.
Look left.
Oh God, oh, she gonna hit me.
She's not. Are you ready to get up?
Yeah.
Then come over to your mom.
Stop it. Jumping. Oh my God.
Come on over, Steve.
Congratulations, so much.
You did great.
Oh my God, that was awesome. Awesome?
Yeah.
So cool.
Woo!
Thank you guys so
Hey,
much.
happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
What a rush.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Wave goodbye to us.
Bye. Thank you.